Right, guys. I made I made more than $100 in a month with Deriv affiliate marketing. I always speak about affiliate programs, and Deriv is one of them. That's Forex trading. Okay, so here is a history of my earnings. As you can see here, I made a profit of 121. Yeah, that's 121, and I withdrew 136. The deposit you see of $10, it was money that was already in my affiliate account. And as a Deriv affiliate, you get to earn daily agent commission. Right, so this is a screen recording of my agent commission, and the balances that you are seeing is negative. These are amounts that I transferred from my Deriv affiliate account to my CR account, from my MetaTrader 5 account to my Deriv CR account. Okay, so I'm earning on average about $2 or so. I was earning close to $3 a day. As you can see, these are my daily agent commissions. Yeah, they are small, but they are better profits for someone who just works only once for this side hustle and relaxes only once a month. And I do relax doing some other things. As you can see, these are my daily agent commissions. Sometimes I get like some cents, but what happens is I'll be getting the money like on a daily basis. I get sometimes dollar something, sometimes $2. Whoa, I made $45 on this day. You see this positive figure here, that's $45. It's part of my earnings. It's money that I just see in my account. So I urge everyone who needs to make a decent income to join an affiliate marketing program. I'm in the process of making a website, and once it's up, I'll let you know in the description or in the comments of this video. But as for the meantime, please check another video that I have done earlier on how you can sign up as an affiliate with Deriv. You get to have some notes. I'll also share links where you can download an ebook on how you can trade with Deriv. If you want to become a trader, if you want to become an affiliate, it's a matter of you just registering as an affiliate using the link that I've provided. Once you register as an affiliate, then you'll be able to generate your own affiliate links, place them on your website, give them to customers. Please don't be fooled. Affiliate marketing doesn't need you to have lots of traffic. You can do affiliate marketing posting your links via WhatsApp, WhatsApp or Telegram groups, or via your social media handles. You'll be at an advanced hand. You'll be having an upper hand probably if you do have a website with lots and lots of traffic, but you can earn money even without a website. That's all, guys, for now, and that's part of my earnings. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get in touch with me, please use the link in the description of this video to get in touch with me. Goodbye for now. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be giving you more and more updates regarding my affiliate programs.